This video is about manufacturing. Manufacturing is the practice of transforming base materials into completed products using various tools, human effort, industrial equipment, and specialized chemical operations. Originating from the transformation that took place during the Industrial Revolution, manufacturing has fueled both global economic growth and environmental challenges. As the engine driving most economies, manufacturing is central to modern life, but requires critical consideration of its planetary impact. An example of how manufacturing systems have evolved is the shift from traditionally manual assembly lines to automated systems in the automotive industry. Using robotics and computerized systems, car manufacturers have enhanced production efficiency and consistency while significantly reducing waste. Automation, however, while beneficial for efficiency, often results in increased energy consumption and presents challenges regarding workforce displacement. Manufacturing connects to several key areas: sustainability, by influencing resource consumption and waste generation; environmental issues, such as pollution and habitat degradation resulting from resource extraction; and IT, given the rise of smart manufacturing technologies that optimize production processes. These topics underscore the tangled relationship between humanity's technological progress and the health of the planet. The clothing industry provides a vivid example of the manufacturing impact on both the environment and society. Fast fashion, in particular, exemplifies the rapid production models that prioritize quick turnover and low cost. While this has democratized style by making clothing affordably available, it also amplifies garment waste and encourages overconsumption. Socially, it pressures workers in the clothing supply chain, often in developing countries, to endure poor working conditions. This connection raises awareness on how consumer culture in wealthier nations significantly affects social systems and worker well-being globally. Manufacturing's intersection with sustainability, biodiversity, and urban development reveals diverse implications for the planet. Industrial systems often share spaces with natural habitats, making responsible decisions about production sites crucial for biodiversity preservation. Additionally, urban development inspired by sustainable practices can reshape cities, turning them into greener, healthier spaces for communities. Information technology contributes by providing tools to model and analyze urban and natural systems more effectively. These interconnected themes emphasize how industrial decisions have ripples through biological ecosystems, city planning, and technological innovation.